For those of you who have already undertaken Guided Imagery Day 1, welcome back. And for those of you who've had some training elsewhere in using guided imagery, a very warm welcome indeed. On this second day, we take our understanding of guided imagery a little deeper and begin to introduce specific techniques that can be used very effectively within it. As always, there will be ample opportunity for experiential learning during the day, lots of opportunities to practice delivering the technique. And we'll be focusing on ways to work with addiction and any kind of behaviour change, on how to activate a client's resources to bring about positive change in specific situations or areas of their life that they've identified they need to, and also on exploring the rich power of metaphor and how to harness that within guided imagery to work on deeper levels with patterns of conditioning, to introduce wider context and beneficial ideas, and to help bypass resistance. In order to get the most out of the day, it's really important that you've either already done guided imagery day 1, if you're new to this, or have good competence at inducing a state of relaxation in your clients, using a basic countdown or body scan induction. It would be lovely to see you there.